and welcome to The Print. I am Purva Chitnis, Assistant Editor. Right now, I am at Hotel Blue Sea in Worli, where officially the alliance between Shiv Sena UBT and Maharashtra Navnirman Sena has been announced. It is after 20 years, the estranged cousins Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray came together for the first time. In fact, if you remember, in 2003, Raj Thackeray had quit the Shiv Sena on the issue of leadership, and that's when he in 2006 formed Maharashtra Navnirman Sena. Since then, the relationship between Uddhav and Raj have been bitter, but now, just ahead of the BMC elections, these two cousins have announced that they will be forming an alliance, at least in the BMC. That is what they announced as of now. The brothers did not talk about the seat sharing aspect of it, as they said that will not be revealed at the moment. However, they said that their topic will be on the Marathi issue. If we remember, in 1966, when Shiv Sena was founded by Bal Thackeray, it was on the issue of Marathi Manus, and since then Shiv Sena spoke on the Marathi Manus issue, also on the Hindutva. But right now, in July, if we remember, both these brothers came together for the first time on the Marathi language issue, when the state government had announced that they will be introducing third language, which will be mandatory for school children. Post that, since July, these two brothers met on multiple occasions, and finally, so there was a speculation that whether they will come together or not, and what will be the form of the alliance. And finally, all those speculations have been put to rest, because these two brothers announced a formal alliance. If we see on this banner, there is only the picture of Bal Thackeray, who is common for both of them. And also here, if we see Prabodhankar Thackeray, who is the grandfather of Raj and Uddhav, as well as Bal Thackeray and Shrikant Thackeray, who is the father of Raj Thackeray. All these photos are placed on the podium to remind people of the legacy of the Thackeray family, who has been one of the most influential families in Maharashtra politics. So it looks like the brothers are going to be playing up on that Thackeray legacy. They want to invoke that Thackeray legacy and the Marathi Manus, the sons of soil issue. But how this alliance will play out, because if we remember, just a few days ago, when the Nagar Panchayat and Nagar Council election results were announced, BJP emerged as number one party, followed by Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena, and Mahayuti was the emerging factor, and it is a formidable force. And Mahayuti has also announced their intention that they will be contesting BMC election together. So how these two brothers coming together will play out, whether it will invoke the Marathi sentiment in amongst the Marathi people or not, that we'll have to see. Because also remembering, Mumbai's demographics are also changing, and Marathi is right now around 30% in Mumbai. So we'll have to wait till 16th of January, when the results of BMC will be announced. But as of now, both these brothers have announced that they will be coming together. However, the seat sharing is not yet announced, but for Mumbai, they have announced the alliance, and going forward, they said that even for other municipal corporations, they will announce their alliance. This is me, Purva Chitnis, signing off.